Welcome back to Aonenewstv and I'm Megha Verma. Let's have a look on a special story. The highly anticipated Malaysia Food and Cultural Festival 2025 was officially inaugurated at a Honk, Pullman New Delhi Aerocity, bringing an authentic taste of Malaysia to India. Organized by Tourism Malaysia in a collaboration with ibis Kuala Lumpur City Centre. The festival will run from February 17 to 23, 2025, offering an immense experience of Malaysia's rich culinary heritage and vibrant culture. The festival was inaugurated by Dato Muzafar Shah Mustafa, High Commissioner of Malaysia to India, along with Ahmad Johanif Mohd Ali, Director Tourism Malaysia Delhi. The grand launch was attended by ambassadors from Association of Southeast Asian Nation and esteemed guests from the travel, hospitality and media industry. Pullman New Delhi Aerocity is hosting this week-long celebration of Malaysian cuisine, bringing an authentic taste of Malaysia to its guests. Honk, the hotel's signature Asian restaurant, serves as a vibrant crossroad where culinary tradition and cultural experiences blend seamlessly, offering dinners a unique and immersive gastronomic experience. Speaking at the inauguration, Ahmad Johanif Mohd Ali, Director, Tourism Malaysia Delhi, said, Malaysia is known for its diverse and flavorful cuisine, influenced by a fusion of Malay, Chinese, and Indian culinary tradition. We are thrilled to bring this experience to India, a key tourism market for Malaysia. Through this festival, we invite Indian travelers to explore Malaysia not just as a travel destination but also a paradise for food lovers. The Malaysia Food and Cultural Festival 2025 features a carefully curated menu crafted by Chef Faridul Ataras Abrazak, Executive Chef at ibis Kuala Lumpur City Centre, and Chef Erawan Muhammad Noor, Cooperative Executive Chef at Adabi Consumer Industries. Guests can indulge in signature Malaysian dishes such as nasi lemak, curry mee, chicken rendang, Penang friend, Kuai Tuai, Laksa Johar and more. Vivian CHU, hotel manager at ibis Kuala Lumpur City Centre, expressed her enthusiasm for the collaboration, stating, We are honored to bring the authentic flavors of Malaysia to New Delhi. This festival is a celebration of Malaysia culinary heritage, and we are delighted to collaborate with Tourism Malaysia to offer an unforgettable dining experience to Indian guests. Enhancing the authenticity of the festival, Adabi Consumer Industries, a renowned Malaysian food brand, has partnered in this initiative to showcase the use of premium Malaysian ingredients and spices in traditional dishes. Bringing in the essence of warm hospitality, Sunaina Manrekar, resident manager, Pullman New Delhi Aerocity, shared her excitement about hosting this vibrant event. We are honored to bring a piece of Malaysia to New Delhi through this festival. At Pullman Aerocity, we take pride in curating exceptional culinary experiences, and the Malaysia Food and the Cultural Festival 2025 is a perfect opportunity to transport our guests on a gastronomic journey through Malaysia's rich and diverse flavors. We look forward to welcoming food lover and cultural enthusiasts to savor this unique experience. The festival will continue until February 23, 2025 with a special Sunday brunch to conclude this week-long celebration. Food lovers, travel enthusiasts, and cultural aficionados are invited to indulge in this unique Malaysian experience at Honk, Pullman New Delhi Aerocity. Let's talk about Tourism Malaysia. Malaysia Tourism Promotion Brand, also known as Tourism Malaysia, is an agency under the Ministry of Tourism, Arts and Culture Malaysia. It focuses on the specific task on promoting Malaysia as a preferred tourism destination. Since its inception, it has emerged as a major player in the international tourism scene. The next visit, Malaysia year, set to take place in 2026, will commemorate the sustainability of the nation's tourism industry, which is also in line with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Furthermore, Tourism Malaysia actively endorses the Indonesian Malaysia Thailand Growth Triangle, working towards the realization of the IMT GT Visiting Year 2023-2025, with the shared aim of promoting the region as a unified tourism destination. For more information, visit Tourism Malaysia's social media accounts on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and TikTok.
Yeah, the home province.
Thank you so much. Selamat datang to Pullman Aerocity. And I'm Vivian. I'm the hotel manager for ibis KLCC, which is all the way from Malaysia and also including of my chef. I would like to welcome all of you and as well as Miss Sunaina, the Pullman Aerocity resident manager, to have a welcoming speech.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's a privilege and an honor to have you here with us on such an auspicious occasion. We are here to celebrate the rich flavors of Malaysia, and this festival that we are having starting today is not just a food journey. It is a journey of diverse culture, journey of heritage, and our warm hospitality that we are hosting. We are honored to collaborate with the Malaysian tourism to bring such an authentic and immersive experience to our guests. Pullman New Delhi Aerocity, along with ibis Kuala Lumpur, is proud to participate in this Malaysian Food Festival. We've obviously organized this event in the collaboration with the Tourism Malaysian, and we are happy to announce this inauguration today. It will be a 1-week long food festival, and we are really happy to host this at Honk, which is our Pan-Asian restaurant. Adding to this authenticity of the gastronomic journey, we have two distinguished Malaysian chefs, Chef Faridul Ataras Abrazak, our executive chef at ibis Kuala Lumpur City Centre, who is bringing this expertise and passion of Malaysian cuisine to New Delhi. This mastery of food techniques and transport guests to the unique heart of Malaysia. Once again, I'd like to thank you for joining us, Your Excellency for gracing this occasion, and thank you all of you for joining us in this celebration of food, culture and friendship. I would now like to request His Excellency Dato Muzafar Shah Mustafa to come and inaugurate this food festival for us. Thank you.
Very good afternoon. Ms. Vivian Chu from ibis Kuala Lumpur. Ms. Sunaina Manika, Resident Manager, Pullman New Delhi Aerocity. ASEAN Ambassadors, High Commissioners, and Heads of Mission. Mr. Ahmad Johanif Mohd Ali, Director of Tourism Malaysia, and heads of agencies of Malaysian High Commission, the distinguished guests, members of the media, and all those present here today. It is an absolute pleasure to welcome you all to the Malaysian Food and Cultural Festival here at the elegant Hotel Pullman New Delhi Aerocity, New Delhi. We embark on a journey, a week-long journey, celebrating Malaysia's rich and diverse heritage through its flavors, tradition, and cultural vibrancy. The main objective of this festival is to bring the true taste of Malaysian cuisine to India, offering an authentic experience that showcases the depth of our culinary tradition. This initiative is a special collaboration between Tourism Malaysia, the agency responsible to promote Malaysia's tourism, and the Accor group of hotels, a partnership dedicated to bringing the best of Malaysia to the global audience. We are delighted to have you with us. We are delighted to have with us 4 highly qualified chefs from various Accor group hotels in Malaysia, each bringing their expertise and passion to craft dishes that define our nation's gastronomic excellence. From the aromatic spices of nasi lemak to the delightful richness of lamb rendang, every bite tells a story of Malaysia's cultural harmony. But this festival is not just about food. It is about immersing yourself in the Malaysian way of life. Alongside these delectable dishes, we have also brought to you traditional Malaysian dance performances.
We would like to launch the Festival of Malaysia promotion together. Thank you, Dato. Thank you so much, Dato.
That's all for now. For more updates, subscribe to Aonenewstv. Thank you.